Welcome. If you're finding those Spotlight Snap notifications on Snapchat a bit too buzzy and want to turn off the vibration, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily disable vibrations specifically for Spotlight Snaps on your phone. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all your apps and notification preferences. Next, scroll and tap on Apps or Applications, depending on your device. This brings up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. From here, find and tap Snapchat. This opens up all the settings related to the Snapchat app itself. Now, look for and tap on Notifications. This section controls what kind of alerts Snapchat can send you. Within Notifications, tap on Notification Categories. This lets you drill down into specific types of notifications Snapchat has. Under the section labeled Public Content, you will see an option for Spotlight Snaps. Tap on that. Here's where you can toggle off the vibration for Spotlight Snaps notifications. Just find the switch labeled Vibrate and turn it off. And that's it. Now, when you receive Spotlight Snap notifications, your phone won't vibrate anymore, making your Snapchat experience a lot quieter and less distracting. By customizing this setting, you stay in control of which Snapchat notifications buzz you and which stay silent. Enjoy your Snapchat without the constant vibration interruptions. Thanks for watching, and remember, adjusting your notification settings like this can really help tailor your app experience exactly how you want it.